The superlative degree, mastering the art of comparison. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating topic: comparing more than two things with superlative forms. This will help you express comparisons in English more effectively and naturally, broadening your linguistic range. Let's get started. In English, when we want to compare three or more things, we use the superlative form of adjectives or adverbs. This form expresses the idea that something has the highest degree of equality among a group. For example, the superlative form of fast is fastest, as in, he is the fastest runner in the team. The formation of superlatives depends on the length of the adjective or adverb. For one-syllable words, we add est to the end of the word. If the word ends in an east, just add saint fast, greater than fastest. Large, greater than largest. For two-syllable words ending in y, we replace y with yest. Happy, greater than happiest. Easy, greater than easiest. For most other two-syllable words and all words with three or more syllables, we use most before the word. Beautiful, greater than most beautiful. Comfortable, greater than most comfortable. Remember, when using superlatives, we often use the before the adjective or adverb, since there is typically only one, most, or est, in a group. Superlatives are used in sentences to show the highest degree of something. When using superlatives, be sure to use the correct form of to be before the adjective or adverb. This is the most delicious pizza in town. She is the smartest student in our class. Superlatives can also be used in negative sentences. This is the least interesting book I've ever read. There are some adjectives and adverbs in English that have irregular superlative forms. They don't follow the regular patterns we discussed, and you'll just have to memorize them. Good, greater than best. Bad, greater than worst. Far, greater than farthest, furthest. And that's a wrap on superlatives. With a solid understanding of how to form and use superlatives, you're now better equipped to make comparisons in English. Practice using these forms in your daily conversations, and soon enough, it will come naturally. As always, keep practicing and keep learning. Until next time, happy learning!